Hey guys, it's Mark with Hallmark Pool Supplies. When is the best time to close down and winterize our pool? It's a good question, and it really depends on where you live. We have different winter zones. We have harsh winter zones, we have moderate winter zones, and we have mild winter zones. Now, according to a calendar schedule, on average, people that live in the harsh winter zones, like further up north, they close pools early September. People that live in the moderate winter zones, like where I live in North Carolina, we close pools late September, early October. And people that live in the mild winter zones, they close pools late October, early November. Now, we can't always go by a calendar schedule because, as you guys know, the weather can change. But as a rule of thumb, when the air temperature or the water temperature in the pool stays below 65 consistently, that is when we are safe to add a winter kit and winterize our pool and shut it down for the winter. Do we have to winterize the pool? Can we leave it open? What are the benefits if we do winterize the pool versus leaving the pool open? Well, first of all, if you live in a harsh winter zone where it gets extremely cold, like up north, most people that have these pools will lower the water level below the returns. They'll blow lines out. They'll use pool antifreeze, not automotive antifreeze, but pool antifreeze. And they do this because of the harsh winter conditions. Keep in mind, up north, it does get a lot colder. We get harder freezes, and it is much safer to winterize and shut everything down. And that's why they do that up north. Now, as far as the rest of us that live in the moderate to mild winter zones, like myself, I live in North Carolina. I like to keep my pool open. I find it easier. If we do keep the pool open, we have a little bit of an electrical cost. And if we do keep it open, we definitely want to make sure that when we do get into freezing temperatures that the system is running so nothing freezes, but we don't have to worry about extreme harsh freezing like they do up north. So we have that option. If we want to leave it open, we do have a little bit of a chemical expense and a little bit of an electrical expense, but it is minimal. If we look at shutting the pool down and closing it and covering it and turning everything off, a lot of people do that because it is a little bit cheaper. But then when they go to open the pool in the spring, they're going to contend with all the leaves and all the debris. They got to clean the cover. In my case, it's easier because when the spring comes, my pool's already open and running and we're good to go. So it really depends on your preference. There are some people that will actually cover a pool and leave it running. So there's different ways to do it, and whatever works for you, as long as we shut the pool down when it's 65 degrees or lower. We do not want to shut the pool down if it's too warm or if it's too early, because if you do shut down a pool when it's still warm or it's not below 65, we run into that risk of opening a pool and it's green. And then you've got more chemicals and more cleaning to do. So you always want to make sure you do it right. For those of you that live in the moderate to mild winter zones, I have made videos on winterizing above ground pools as well as in-ground pools. And I will post those links to those videos down below for any of you guys that want to check that out. And if you guys run into a pool situation and have any questions or you need help, the fastest way to get in contact with me is book a phone session and I'll be glad to help. As always, remember us at Hallmark Pool Supplies for all your pool needs. I appreciate everybody watching. Once again, my name is Mark, and I'll see you guys on the next video.